Hey everybody, what's up? This is RafeWest. Just wanted to say what's up to everyone, and I wanted to make an announcement. Moving forward, in order to support my channel, I've created my own cryptocurrency coin. I'm gonna put my public key in the description. You can now buy RafeWest coin. It's going to be a community thing to support the channel. If you'd like to donate, contribute, and help my channel grow. I've been learning about Bitclout, and it's this new platform, that I've been working on. So, if you guys would like to donate, put it in the description. I just launched my own crypto coin, RafeWest coin. If you want to get in on it, I'll leave a link. I'll leave a link, my public key, down in the description. As far as crypto goes, I might as well mention that the market, it had a correction recently from what I hear. I don't really look that much. Checking prices are for suckers, I've always believed. And I still believe that we will continue in this bull trend. I started to say I want to buy the dips, but I've kind of been leaning towards not buying when we're in a bull market, right? Even though it's hard, it's tempting, but I got other things to do anyway with my money. I mean, don't we all sometimes? But if any of you guys who watch my content ever want to give me a thumbs up on some of my videos, consider subscribing and or consider getting in on my RafeWest coin. Just released, just launched. So yeah, let me know. Any questions or comments? This Bitclout thing is brand new, but I welcome any questions or comments. And yeah, that's about it. So let me know. You buy it. I believe it's with. You gotta buy some Bitclout coin. I believe the ticker is BTCT. You'll see it when you hit my public key. So basically, you're buying my coin with some Bitcoin as well, just like you would any other altcoins and stuff. All right, guys. So this is RafeWest. Thanks. I just wanted to make a public service announcement about donating and becoming part of the RafeWest community. I'll be having more stuff coming your way. I've been getting a lot into biohacking lately. So, okay, I might leave a link in the description for that as well. Actually, if not, check out my Twitter page, RafeWest Twitter, and you can find the link there. I'll try to put it in the description here. All right, guys, so just wanted to make this public service announcement. Thanks for all the support and all my subscribers and my viewers, and moving forward here, okay? Thanks again, and I will talk to you guys another time, all right? Take care, everybody. Peace.